And welcome back to the RFCC Radio Audio YouTube channel. Got a good one for you today. This video, I haven't posted one in a while, but I have a good reason to post a video today. I have new equipment. This is the Professional Live Sound Card. Original product. Authentic original. It's the white label, There's no true company tied to it. Of course, made in China, as it says on the back of it. And then let's go right to the back of it. It says the model number is V8. Product name is Professional Live Sound Card. And you see at the bottom there, it tells you what it comes in the box. And on the side here, it says Singing Live Sound Card. All right. And then right here on the border, it tells you some of the features that the sound card has. Instrument access, cancel the original sound, multiple effects, funny sound, reverberation effect, real-time ear return. All right, let's open this bad boy up. Okay, we have a micro to USB, micro to USB card here. Charger or adapter, whatever you want to call them. You usually use them for Android phones. This type of charger. Let me get this out here. There we go. So you got that. And then this is interesting. We've got a TRRS 3.5 millimeter to micro. So this directly can go from a phone to whatever. Let me show you with my phone. Okay, so it would go here. All right? And then this micro part would go to something else, like the actual sound card, because there's a slot there for it. And we have another one of these. Same micro to TRRS, tip ring sleeve. There's your tip ring sleeve right there. You see the 3 rings there. And then we got the micro part there. And they gave us a third one. We get 3 of these. I don't know what I need 3 of these for, but I have 3 of these. TRRS there. And then micro USB there. You will see what we need these for in a minute. All right. But this right here, this is the most important one to me, because this part goes into the sound card. This part, the USB-A part, goes to my laptop. Now, we're ready to look at the actual sound card. Okay. Let me take the little plastic off here. All right, this is what the top or front of it looks like. It says V8 Live Sound Card. Power button. You got controls, and then you got your little sound effects and whatnot. Yeah, some stock sound effects. And then you get the manual. There's the manual. All right. And in the back of it, we've got... Oh yeah, they give us 3 of these things. So, Live 1, Live 2, accompany instrument, charging. Charging is what this guy will go into. Let's see here. I think I got it in. Try again. All right, I think I've got it in. And then we've got earphone speaker, headset, and condenser mic. This condenser mic should work with this mixer. In a future video, we'll try that. I'll have this all set up in a future video, and maybe we'll look at some of the sound effects and other things too on this V8 sound card. So that was the unboxing of this V8 sound card. So I'm going to be playing around with this thing for the rest of the day probably. So long for now.